The domain of a function, g of x, is the set of all values for which the function is defined, and the range of the function is the set of all values that g takes. These are sometimes known as the input and output of the function. Now we're told that the graph of y equals g of x is a straight line, and we're given the domain of g of x, which runs from 2 to 8, and the range, which runs from 5 to 23. And so these two sketches for straight lines are examples that would produce possible expressions for g of x. In the first example, we see that the line passes through 2, 5 and 8, 23. So if I let g of x equal cx plus d, which is the equation of a straight line, and substitute, then I obtain the equations 5 equals c times 2 plus d, and 23 equals c times 8 plus d. Now I can solve these equations by subtracting one from the other. 18 equals 6c, which implies that c equals 3 and d equals -1. And this would give g of x equals 3x minus 1. So that's one possible expression for g of x. Here is another example I could use. In this case, the straight line passes through 2, 23 and 8, 5, producing the simultaneous equations 23 equals c times 2 plus d, and 5 equals c times 8 plus d. Now in a similar way, I can subtract one equation from the other. 18 equals minus 6c this time, therefore c equals -3 and d equals 29. And so another possible expression for g of x is g of x equals -3x plus 29.